What is an operating agreement? Well, an LLC, or limited liability company, should be sure to include an operating agreement when forming the LLC. In addition to the articles of organization, owners of the LLC should reduce their agreement amongst members regarding the LLC to writing. Operating agreements are specifically addressed in the California Revised Uniform Limited Liability Company Act. Now, even a single member LLC should have a written operating agreement to show that the LLC is separate and distinct from the owner or person who owns the LLC. Operating agreements must be drafted with care, detail, and knowledge of the LLC and the LLC Act. So what is included in an operating agreement? Operating agreements for your LLC should include some basic information, such as identification of the owner's capital contribution, name of the LLC, and address. Additionally, the California Revised Uniform Limited Liability Company Act governs operating agreements and states the following: that the operating agreement can include relations among the members as members and between the members and the LLC. It can include the rights and duties of anyone identified as a manager. It can include the activities of the LLC and the conduct of those activities. And it can include how to amend the operating agreement. Now, all of these should be included in your operating agreement. Most people only discuss what should be included in your LLC operating agreement. However, in addition to what is included, the California Revised Uniform Limited Liability Company Act also states what should not be included in your LLC operating agreement. Your operating agreement should not do any of the following. It should not vary a limited liability company's capacity to sue and be sued in its own name. It cannot vary the law that's applicable under Section 17701.06 of the Revised LLC Act, and it cannot vary the power of the court under 17702.04. Do not start your LLC without a properly drafted operating agreement or with a boilerplate operating agreement that was found online. This can cause tons of problems in the long run. Call us today to schedule your free consultation to discuss your LLC and its operating agreement or its need for an operating agreement.